and gentlemen, welcome back to well, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a full weevil sweep. I recorded this crocodile sweep and the weevil sweep in the same day, but I made the sweeps in different days. I am recording this in the same days. I just completed the crocodile sweep and uploaded that. Okay, and this is a part of new move challenge, and the new move is triple axel. Triple axel is a cool move, literally, because it's an S type. Triple axel, it's 3 times. It's 90% accuracy like dual wing beat, but it's only 20 base power. But it hits guaranteed 3 times. But it had 70% accuracy, all combined with 3 times, and it will end up, I think, in 120 base power. Okay, and we have lash out instead of night slash, and we have fake out for flinching and low kick for steel types, normal types, dark types, and the item is focus sash to survive a hit and pressure. It does not add in good abilities, so I give it pressure. And this is a max speed, max attack set along with the jolly nature. I also made a Dragapult sweep. If you see in the battle, I had a Dragapult with Dragon Dance, Baton Pass, Dragon Darts Protect. I made a Dragapult sweep before even the weevil sweep, but I'm gonna upload the Dragapult sweep after the weevil sweep. Okay, for today we have weevil. Okay, let's go into the battle. Okay, here we are in the battle. If you see this man's team, he was swept by me 2 times. One time with the Dragapult, another time with weevil. Think this is the weevil sweep, or maybe not. Okay, let's play the battle. The start of the battle, I sent out the Dragapult, he sent out his Blissey. I used Dragon Dance. He used Reflect. I used Dragon Dance. Again, used Light Screen. I used Dragon Dance. I used Baton Pass. I sent out my weevil. He used Shadow Ball, which we resist. He used Dormant and Galar, which we used fake out. And I dynamite this weevil's rage quit so many battles. I used Max Knuckle and the Dormant printed. We are at +3 attack now. Send out is Dracovish, which is Max Hailstorm. He sent out his Machamp, which used Max Hailstorm to kill. Sent out his Lucario, which used low kick to kill. He sent out his Blissey, which is triple axel, which done 24, 52, again 24. It will. He sent out his Mewtwo, which is lash out to kill. That's the sweep for you guys. Sorry, I told you here. I forgot to say that not Dragapult sweep is made after the weevil sweep. I was trying a Golurk sweep with Poltergeist, and I got the Dragapult sweep. Sorry, it's like a Galvantula situation. I only use Dragon Darts. Okay, I'll see you in the Dragapult sweep. I'm going to record this today and upload this today.